Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belleville Auto Spa. It's been a minute since I posted a video, so here we are. So this video review is going to be of Shine Supply Wise Guy. Now, this is going to be my first time using Wise Guy. I got this from a guy in San Antonio. His name is Jason Tusano. He's got a detailing business down there, and he sells FaneLab and Shine Supply products. Jason, pretty cool guy. He actually came up to Austin to meet me so I could purchase it from him. So if you're in the area, Austin, San Antonio area, get with me and I'll get you in touch with him if you're interested in purchasing any products and supporting a local business. But otherwise, you can buy this online from Shine Supply directly, as well as a few other retailers. So this goes for about $22 for a 16-ounce bottle, or $38, excuse me, for a gallon. A bit pricey for a 16-ounce. For a gallon, not too bad. Are there cheaper products out there? Yes. But from everything I've seen about Wise Guy, it's supposed to be a really strong wheel and tire cleaner. Now, this is the bottle the 16-ounce comes in. Now, it does say to dilute, basically dilute 1 to 1. So, yeah, dilute 1 to 1 with water. So, you know, whatever you're getting makes double the amount. Could you dilute it further? Yeah, you probably could for lighter cleaning. You know, here's the information if you want to pause and read it, and here's the directions. So it's been a couple weeks since I washed my wife's car, so I'm not going to be, they're not going to be super dirty, but again, her car stays outside 24/7, so we should have some good stuff to pick up from the tires. We'll see how it breaks down the dressing on there. And we'll see how it cleans up the wheel as well. It's a wheel and tire cleaner, so we'll see how it does. Her wheels are moderately dirty. They're not super dirty. Super dirty wheels for me are hard to come by. So when I do get them, I try to make content as I can. But yeah, we got this one bottle diluted 1 to 1 with water in a 32-ounce bottle. Jason hooked me up with this as well. Appreciate that. So actually their dilution bottles are pretty nice. It's got the ratios marked on them. It's got ounces, milliliters, and what was I going to say about this? Yeah, it's actually part of the plastic. It's not written on the plastic like some other bottles. Like here's a bottle I got from Advanced Auto Parts, which their bottles are nice, but as you can see, as chemicals get on it, it starts to wear away the markings. It's not the best design, but whatever. So let's get over to the wheel, and we'll see how this does. I'm not going to be using a pressure washer. I'm just going to be using my garden hose. I'm going to be doing a rinseless wash of this car after. I've got a bucket with some Armor Detail Supply Decon soap in it, and get our things going here. Let's get over there. Alright, so you can see this wheel's moderately dirty. Tire's got some browning on it. Wheels a little bit dirty, brake dust and everything like that. Show you there. See a little tire mark. So we're gonna go ahead and just soak it down. Ooh, this foams up nicely, straight out of the bottle. This is not a foaming trigger, so that's good. All like Adams. And look how it just turns brown instantly on the tires. Lovely. Now, am I using more than I normally would? Yes. But, again, I'm trying to demonstrate this in a video for you guys. Use as much as you want. Or as little as you want. I've got so many products, it doesn't really matter to me. So, yeah, instantly turning brown. Got our tire brush here. This is a Max Shine, back when they were still called Shine Master. That's how long I've had this for. We're going to get the inside of the wheel. So we've got the, what's this company called? Suds Lab. We got the Suds Lab wheel brush. See, it's pretty nice. Get inside the spokes. Get this wheel nice and cleaned up. The real test, guys, because I mean, you can clean the spokes of wheels that aren't super dirty with just soap and water, of course. But if you can get tires clean on the first pass, you know you got a good product. And what you're looking for is the product to really just turn brown on the tires. That means it's really pulling all the crap off of the surface that collects on the rubber. Which also means this will work good for floor mats, trim, things of that nature. Alright, next, you get the face of the wheel. I've got my SPTA brush. And then of course we got to get inside the lug nuts. So for that I've got another SPTA brush. I think these come orange now, they're not black anymore. SPTA's kind of changed their branding over the last year to make everything orange. It's their color. Alright. And now we're going to rinse. Nice and clean, and then we're just going to see if we spray some more Wise Guy on the tire to get any more browning. Now, it looks like you got just about all of it. Remember, I was turning brown instantly before. Still getting a little bit in some spots, but nothing significant. Now, I've used other tire cleaners that do this 2, 3, 4 times, still turning brown, like P&S Brake Buster. It's not that strong, but this stuff is pretty strong. So, yeah, I'd say this stuff definitely ranks there with Adams as really strong wheel and tire cleaner. Now, there are dedicated tire cleaners like CarPro Retire, but CarPro doesn't suggest you use that on the wheels, just on the tires. That's why I don't really compare to products like that. This is a wheel and tire, 2-in-1. Safe on your wheels, safe on your tires. Granted, you got polished aluminum, anodized aluminum, anything with a sensitive finish, do not use this on your wheels. These are OEM wheels with OEM clear coat. They're made to be durable. It's fine on these. And then the last step, we're going to take some CarPro Hydro 2 light spray and rinse ceramic sealant. Get some of that on there. This will help your wheels not only look nice and shiny, but stay clean, or it'll help them stay cleaner. It'll also help you when you're cleaning them next time, so nothing really sticks on there. Everything comes off easily. That's why I like this stuff. Instant water beading. Amazing. Anyways, let's go back to the table for our final thoughts. Alright, so Shine Supply Wise Guy. Amazing product. 16 ounces, it is very pricey. For a gallon, $38. Not too bad. That's about on par with Adams right now. Adams you can get for between $35 and $40, and a lot of times it goes on sale for $30 for a gallon. Adams, I also dilute 1-to-1. Adams does not say to, but it has become the norm among people that use it because it doesn't lose any strength and it's easier to spray. So Shine Supply Wise Guy, right on par with Adams. Does it knock it from being one of the best? No, but this is right there with it. I'd say they're about equal. Of course, I'll have to use it more to really know, but just from that demonstration I saw, this stuff is really good. So this is definitely a wheel and tire cleaner, especially for cleaning really grubby tires, that I think everyone should have if they're going to have a good one. Well, that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Got all these other products to review as well. So I'll be getting around to them one by one. I'm pretty busy nowadays. The last 6 months I was on unemployment. That's why I made so much content. I finally got a job with good pay again. And it's not a contract, so I don't gotta worry about any crap, hopefully, like I did at Sport Clips. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave your thoughts and comments in the comments section below. And other than that, keep them clean. Have a good one.